Welcome to our tutorial about the Revolve tool. Sketch 1 is already active here. I'm going to create a shape now on my workspace. Something like this. And let's close the shape. Click Return to exit the sketch. Now let's activate the Revolve tool. The Revolve dialog window opens. And let me drag it down so you can see it. Okay, for the axis option, I'm going to use the y-axis. Here's our preview. Under Extends, let's use Full. Click OK. Now let's create another sketch. It'll be on the XY plane. Let's take a front view. Right-click, Slice Graphics. And let's use the Circle tool. Actually, first, let's do a projection. Scroll down and select Projection Geometry. Now let's select this edge. You see the projection line, it's green. It's now been created. Let's zoom in a little bit. And now we can activate the Circle tool. Let's create a circle, something like this. Let's quickly dimension it. Maybe half an inch. OK. And the distance from the edge, 3/4 of an inch. OK. And right-click Done. Return to exit the sketch. Let's activate the Revolve command again. Under the axis, let's choose the y-axis. The profile, as you understand, has been pre-selected already. Most options for the Revolve tool are pretty similar to those of the Extrude tool. The one that's different is Angle. So let's check that out right now. I'm going to select a revolve in both directions. Let's specify an angle of 120 degrees. The operations are join, cut, and intersect. Let's choose Cut and click OK. Now, let's change dimensions. Let's right-click on Revolution 2 and select Show Dimensions. Double-click on the diameter. Let's enter 1/4 of an inch. Click OK. Let's modify the distance. Let's say 1 inch. Click OK. Now click Update. Now let's scroll down to Parameters. Click on Parameters. Here we can rename our dimensions simply by double-clicking in the cell and then entering our new text. When you're done, click Done. Now let's right-click and edit the sketch. Right-click, Dimension Display, Expression. You see our custom name shows up here. Let's click Return to exit the sketch. And this concludes our tutorial about the Revolve command.